friends. Today I'm going to show you how to do sun salutation or Surya Namaskar with the support of a chair. So all you need is a yoga mat and a chair like this with the back straight. You can keep the back of the chair close to the wall so that you get more support while doing the sun salutation. And this method is suitable for people those who are having knee issues or those who find difficult to sit on the floor and do the regular sun salutation, or senior people. This is an easy variation of sun salutation. Hope all will enjoy this. Let's move on to it. We'll do sun salutations, chair variation, level 1. Stay close to the chair. Inhale and exhale. Hands in prayer position. Deep breathing. Holding your body. Inhaling, arch your spine, look back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. You can keep your head over the chair, palms on the chair. Inhaling, right leg back. Exhaling, other leg back. Hold the chair tightly. Inhaling, arching your spine, you look up. Exhaling, mountain pose or Parvatasana. Inhaling, right leg forward. Exhaling, other leg forward. You can come down little more, keeping the head over the chair. Now inhaling, holding your body, gently arch back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. We'll do the other side. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling, holding your body, gently arch back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair and keep the head on the chair. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, other leg back. Inhaling, holding your chair tightly, arch your spine, look up. Bhujangasana. Exhaling, Parvatasana. Hold the chair tightly. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhaling, gently come up, holding your body, arch your spine and you look back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. Let's do one more round. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling and exhaling here. Holding your body. Inhale, arch your spine. Go back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair and keep the head on the chair. Inhaling, right leg back. Exhaling, other leg back. Hold the chair tightly. Inhaling, Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Look up. Exhaling, go down to Parvatasana or mountain pose. Inhaling, bring your right leg forward. Exhaling, other leg forward. You can bend forward little more, bring the head on the chair. Inhaling, gently come up, holding your body, arch back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. We'll do the left side now. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling, holding your body, gently arch back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair, bring the head over the chair. Inhaling, left leg back. Exhaling, the other leg back. Hold the chair tightly. Inhaling, arch your body, look up, Bhujangasana. Exhaling, Parvatasana. Inhaling, left leg forward. Exhaling, other leg forward. Inhaling, gently come up, holding your body, arch back. Exhaling, come back. Samasthiti. This is level 1 sun salutation for the beginners. Now we'll do the level 2. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling, raising your arms up, arch back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair and bring the head over the chair. If you feel like doing one more stretch in this, take your arms behind, interlacing your fingers. Give a nice stretch. Hold the chair tightly. Inhaling, take your right leg back. Exhaling, the other leg back. Holding the chair tightly. Inhaling, slowly move up, arching your body to Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Exhaling, bringing your body to Parvatasana or mountain position. Inhaling, bring your right leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Come down little more, taking your arms behind. This gives an extra stretch for the arms and your shoulders. Inhaling, gently coming up, taking your arms above your head, arch back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. Now we'll do the left side. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling, taking your arms above your head, gently arch back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair with the hands and head over the chair. You can do this variation, taking your arms behind your body, interlacing your fingers, give a stretch. Releasing your hands, hold the chair tightly. Inhale, left leg back. Exhaling, other leg back. Now inhaling, bring your body forward, arching your body. Look up, Bhujangasana. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Now inhaling, bring your left leg forward. Exhaling, other leg forward. Come down little more. You can take your arms behind your body. Give the stretch for the shoulders and arms. Bring your hands back, holding the chair. Inhaling, gently come up and arch back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. Relax your body. Deep breathing and relax. Those who are able to do little more challenging can do the next variation, level 3. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhale, arch back. Exhaling, go all the way down, keeping the head on the chair. Take your arms behind your body, interlacing your fingers. You can stretch to the right, stretch to the left, stretch nicely. Gently releasing your hands, hold tightly with the palms, hold the chair. Inhaling, take your right leg back, bend your left leg and take your arms above your head. Do the Virabhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1. Now bringing your arms to the shoulder level, Virabhadrasana 2. Then going back, Peaceful Warrior. Coming forward, bring your palms on the floor, take the other leg back. You're equivalent to plank position. Now holding the chair, inhaling Bhujangasana. Look up. Exhaling Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stretch your spine nicely in this. Inhaling, bring your right leg forward, bend your right knee, do the Warrior 1 while coming back also. Do the Warrior 2, arms at your shoulder level, keep looking at the front palm. Now Peaceful Warrior. These are extra stretches along with the Sun Salutation, level 3 variation. Now hold the chair, bring the other leg forward, bring your body little more further down. Taking your arms behind your head, interlacing, give stretch to the right, to the left. Now releasing your hands, holding the chair, gently come up. Inhaling, taking your arms above your head, arch back. Exhaling, Samasthiti. Deep breathing. Inhale and exhale, hands in prayer position. Inhaling, gently take your arms above your head, arch back. Exhaling, coming all the way down. Hold the chair, keep your head on the chair. Taking your arms behind your body. Give the stretch to the neck, shoulders and arms. Taking the arms to the sides. Bring your palms back, hold the chair. Now inhaling, left leg back, bend your right knee. Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana 1, look straight. Now Virabhadrasana 2, arms at your shoulder level. You look at your front palm. Now do the Peaceful Warrior, leaning backwards. Come back, hold the chair with palms, take the right leg back. Now inhaling, Bhujangasana. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Feel the stretch on your spine. Inhaling, bring your left leg forward, bend your left knee. Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Now Warrior 2, arms at your shoulder level, look at your front palm. Now Peaceful Warrior, leaning backwards. Feel the side stretch of your body. Now come back. Pressing your palms, bring the right leg forward, bending forward. Taking your arms behind your head, above your body. Give the stretch to the right, to the left, giving nice stretch to your arms and shoulders. Hold the chair back, inhaling, gently come up, taking your arms above your head, arch back, exhaling, come back. Samastiti. Thank you so much. Namaste.